You want this type of look, you want a low cut but you don't want to cut your hair, this tutorial is for you. Please stay tuned to the end, watch the video and like the video. So let's get right into it. So first, cutting of hair has its own problem, that you cut your hair last week and this week you already want to make a new style that you saw, but there is no hair to make it, then you start regretting. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can carry your desired low cut in whichever color you want. Then people will see you with low cut yesterday, then today you are carrying the braided hair. This tutorial is here to help you out, solve all your problems of wanting to carry some certain colors of low cuts and all of that. I'm using Darling Kinky and I divided it into 4. You can divide it into 6, whichever length you want, because you're still going to be shaving them up all off. So I'm trying to hide the hand of my hair, even though it's not as long as it will come out, but I really want what I'm going to be doing to look so natural. I want what I'm doing, or the outcome, the finished look, to look very natural. So I want my hair to be, my scalp to be very flat. So I'm trying to hand the hands now. So I've done that. I've already gone ahead to cut the kinky into 4 equal parts. Then I will start crocheting from the back. You see that line at the back? I'll crochet on it straight. So my crocheting is line by line, even though these lines are these horizontally? Yes, they are horizontally. I don't know. Just know that what I'm saying is that even though I make the lines from front to the back, I'm crocheting vertically, or I'm crocheting from my ear to ear. So I'm making the lines in my mind. This crocheting takes time because it's going to be small and very close. Okay, this is how far we have come, and here we are. So continue like this till the front, a bit till my edges. We're already at the front door. So this is where we'll stop. By the way, I'm out of the kinky, so I'm going to go in with edge control and lay down my edges. Then I'm going to go in with a spray glue I'll spray all around. I don't want to just glue just the front. I'm going to glue all around. Remember I said I want this to look very, very natural. So I'm going to mark out the parts of my front hair. Like I want to create an illusion of front hair. I don't want it to look so straight. I want it to look natural, remember? So I'm going to make some corner. I'll be making some front hair illusion. Then I'm going to go in with ghost bond. So I'm going to put this all around my edges. I'll put twice at the front, then just the side and the back is going to be one layer and not very much, because I don't want it to be full there. So I'm drying up now. You are going to dry up with just the cold part of the hand dryer. Don't use heat. So I'm brushing the hair because remember I said very natural. I'm going to brush the hair so that they will come together very well. I'll brush and brush. Then I'm going to cut some from the front part and lay them on the glue that I've laid on the front of the hair. I'll lay them all around, then tie it down. Then go in again with your breeze part or cold part of hand dryer. Okay, this is what the hair looks like. I'm going to start cutting now. I'm going to cut this very, very low, like very, very low. Don't mind this pencil I drew at the front. I'm still coming to clean it. So I've come this far, and I felt like some part of the front didn't lay very well, so I'm trying to repair. That's why you're seeing that band please on my head again. One part of the front didn't lay very well, so I'm trying to make sure that the back is well cut. During this process, as I couldn't see my back very well, I made some part of the back very deep. I cut it very deep, so you'll be seeing some place that is so deep, and you can see my hair, but it still look good. There's a mirror at that side, so if I'm not looking at the camera, then I'm looking at the mirror. That's why you're seeing me like this. I'm making sure that everything is equal, of the same length, and very low. This is me hyping myself of the work I've done. Right now I feel so happy, like the way it came out. I didn't expect it to come out this beautiful. I've seen so many on TikTok, but I did a good job, if I will say so to myself. So at this point, I will say thank you for watching to the end of the video. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe